In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 unable to establish connection with same server. So in your search bar, type in CMD and run as administrator. So a new window will open. So in here, you need to enter the 3 commands. So I will be showing you the 3 commands in here, and you need to enter it here. And once you're done, you need to restart your computer. So next, we need to open up Run. So what you need to do is press Windows plus R keys and then type in %local app data % and hit the enter button. And then a new window will open up. So in here, you need to locate temp folders. Just go ahead and find it here, the temp folder. And then you need to delete all the files in here. But if not all files is deleted, you just have to skip them. Just let it be and then restart your computer again. Next, we need to change the DNS server. So what you need to do is go to your settings. You can just type it here in your search bar. Just type settings and hit enter to open up a new window. And from here, select network and internet. And then click on advanced network settings. Scroll down and then you will see more network adapter settings. So once you open the network adapter options, you just have to select Ethernet. So I'm just stating what you need to do. And then right click the Ethernet and go to properties. So make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled and double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select use the following DNS server address and then type in the server address 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. So that is what you need to do in your settings to change the DNS server. So you can go ahead and do it in your computer. So next, clear Steam cache files. You need to open up your Steam and then into the left corner, you will see there the settings. And from the settings, click on downloads and clear cache button. Just click that one and tap confirm. And once you're done, you have to log in again to your Steam account. Next, we need to reinstall Steam without deleting games. For example, go to Library, right-click the CS2, and then Properties again, and go to Installed Files. So in here, you need to click on the Browse button, and then you have to delete all the files except Steam Apps, User Data, and SteamX files. And once you delete them all, just click on Steam again, and all the files will be re-downloaded. And that's how to fix the issue in Counter-Strike 2. So just have to follow the instructions I did show you and it will be fixed. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.